for joining us Monday afternoon on Kababayan LA. This marks the opening of Holy Week or the start of Holy Week. Actually, yesterday, Palm Sunday. Pero ngayon po sa Kababayan LA, sisimulan po natin ang ating paggunita ng Semana Santa. Kanina pinag-usapan natin ang kahulugan ng Palm Sunday or Linggo ng Palaspas.
Yeah.
Kasama pa rin po si Father Rodel Balagtas ng Immaculate Heart of Mary Church and Prosi de la Cruz, community leader. Pinagtitiwalaan po natin silang dalawa. And earlier, great explanation about Palm Sunday and its parallelism to what's happening in the Philippines. Ngayon, hindi lang Palm Sunday, Father, Good Thursday or Monday Thursday or Holy Thursday.
Well, what we do pag Holy Thursday is what we call the Last Supper Mass, and also the washing of the feet of the disciples. And so that's a beautiful ritual when Jesus lowered himself and washed the disciples' feet.
You know, and this is what I really like because this akmang-akma siya sa mga politiko sa Pilipinas, especially mag-eleksyon, na sinabi ng Panginoon nung Holy Thursday, washing of the feet, na ang sino man na gustong magpakataas, kailangan magpakababa muna. Kaya siya yung Diyos and He washed the feet of the disciples.
Right.
Prosi, you know, I like your honesty when you mentioned kanina, you're not aware. Why do you think that is?
When you mean I wasn't aware of the...
You're not aware of this ritual?
Yes, I wasn't aware of the palaspas. Totoo yun. Kasi parang at the start, you know, nung naririnig ko yung mga pare dito, parang they make us feel guilty. And they give us, you know, yung concept na nakikita nila yung kamalian namin as a parishioner.
Right.
Ngayon yung makita ko yung spiritual home ko ngayon sa Immaculate Heart, napaka-positive, napaka-inspirational, and very joyful. Tapos in-explain nila yung palaspas is not only to bring in the, you know, to welcome Jesus with the palms, no? But it's also magpahampas ka sa Christ.
Right.
Sabi ko, ano yung sinabi ni Father Meloy na magpahampas ka ng Christ? Ibig sabihin, tanggapin mo yung challenges mo na sinasabi ng Jesus. Dahil kasi, para daw madala mo yung kanyang puso, sa iyong puso.
Okay.
Sabi ko, oh, no wonder I was having such a tough time before. I wasn't embracing my spiritual challenges.
Right.
But when you embrace it, it really makes you evolve. Parang nakikita mo yung, ano yung pagkukulang mo as a tao. Ako noon, ang pagkukulang ko, kulang ako sa compassion.
Right.
Sa totoo lang, it took me several years to learn the trait of compassion. And I had to consciously develop that. Dahil kasi namatay yung tatay ko, namatay yung isang author na mahal ko, si NVM Gonzalez, tsaka yung isang community leader, si Uncle Roy.
Right.
So ang feeling ko is, tatlo na tong nalagas sa buhay ko. Parang, ano ba ito? Para bang depressed ako.
And you know, you're lucky because you were touched in that way that you were able to see the significance of that particular event in your life.
Yes.
What about parallelism again to our kababayans na nasa Pilipinas ngayon, naghahanda para sa eleksyon? Right now pa lang ang dami ng violence, election-related violence and killings and abductions.
Ang pinag-usapan namin ni Prosi kanina ang significance ng Holy Week for us Filipinos is to die to ourselves. Ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat mamatay sa ating sarili, sa ating kultura? Ano naman yung mga bagay na dapat lumitaw at mag-resurrect? So kailangan makita natin yun kasi ang message ng Holy Week is always finding grace in ourselves and looking what is good in us. Kung minsan, nakikita lang natin yung kamalihan natin. But dapat
kamalihan na ibang tao.
Kamalihan na ibang tao. Dapat yung mamatay yun Those are the things, mga egoism na dapat mamatay for the sake of others, kasi si Jesus Christ namatay hindi pansarili, namatay siya para sa ibang tao, para sa atin.
And also, Prosi, I'm thinking you're not very much aware of yung Palm Sunday, mga traditions ng Holy Week because you've been here for a long time, and sadly, Father, we were talking about this earlier, dito, hindi kasing widespread ng mga tradisyon sa Philippines. Dito, hahanapin mo kung saan merong mga parishes na may mga ganitong mga events.
Ang kagandahan natin mga Pilipino sa ating kultura, kami mga paring Pilipino, dinala namin yung mga tradisyon natin na ginagawa natin sa Pilipinas, katulad ng pabasa, katulad ng salubong,
Stations of the Cross.
Station of the Cross. Meron kaming Station of the Cross sa parokya na we go out sa streets and we go around the neighborhood. Doon namin ginagawa ang Way of the Cross.
Hala. We have the website for you right there if you
Yeah.
want to get more information. That's the schedule. Pero ano oras po yung Stations of the Cross na yun?
9:30 ang Station of the Cross. We have the Cross Parish.
Okay, okay. And then Holy Thursday, what's going to happen at your parish?
So Holy Thursday is we have the celebration of the Mass of the Last Supper. And within that Mass is the beautiful ritual of the washing of the feet of the disciples. Ang kagandahan ng misang ito ay makikita mo na ang pagmahal ng Diyos sa kanyang mga disipulo, that He really endeared them, kahit na si Judas, right, na who betrayed Him.
He knew he was going to
Right.
be betrayed by Judas.
Yes, and I think He was giving him a chance, and He was seeing goodness in him also.
Right.
Kaso lang, because of betrayal, yun, Jesus, of course, had to.
And parang sinasabi kasi nila, the plan of God had to be executed. Kaya may mga iba't ibang figures, they play their own roles. Meanwhile, pagkatapos naman po ng pagkamatay ng Panginoon, pagkabuhay naman po, Easter Sunday, which is a symbol of new beginning for us, and we're going to be talking about that when we return. Don't go away.